Most people think a barndominium is just a big metal box you move into. But what if I told you there is a design that combines Scandinavian, minimalism, a 200-year-old southern cooling trick, and a wraparound porch lifestyle into one of the most stunning and livable homes being built in 2026? Today we are breaking down the Scandinavian dog Trot barndominium with porch, a design that is quietly taking over the alternative housing world, and by the end of this video you will know exactly what it costs, how the layout works, why the porch and breezeway are the real stars of this design, and whether this is the right build for your land. Stay with me because the cost breakdown alone is going to surprise you. Before we go any further, if you are into alternative housing, barndominiums, and building smarter, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We break down real builds with real numbers, no fluff. Now let's get into it. What is a Scandinavian dog trot barndominium? Let's start from the beginning because this design has a fascinating origin story that actually explains why it works so well. The dog trot, sometimes spelled dog trot, is one of the oldest and smartest house designs in American history. It originated in the Appalachian Mountains and Carolina coastal lowcountry in the early 1800s. Before electricity and air conditioning existed, builders in hot climates figured out that if you built two separate living structures under one roof with an open breezeway running through the middle, natural air would channel through that breezeway like a wind tunnel. The result was a passive cooling system that kept the home comfortable even in brutal summer heat. Historically, the kitchen and living spaces were on one side, sleeping quarters on the other, and the breezeway in the middle served as the outdoor living room where families gathered in the evening breeze. Now take that brilliant layout and fuse it with Scandinavian design philosophy. Scandinavian architecture is built around three core ideas: simplicity, functionality, and a deep connection to nature. Think clean lines, dark board and batten or vertical wood siding, large floor-to-ceiling windows that flood interiors with natural light, and natural materials like pine, oak, and stone that blur the line between indoors and outdoors. Nordic homes are built to feel warm and inviting, but never cluttered or excessive. When you combine these two philosophies in a barndominium structure, what you get is genuinely spectacular. Dark steel or vertical wood exterior with clean architectural lines, a dramatic open breezeway through the center with exposed beams, covered porches on both the front and back, large glass doors opening the interior to the outside, two distinct living wings separated by that signature breezeway, and a design that works with the climate instead of fighting it. This is not a trend. This is one of the most thoughtful and livable home concepts available in 2026. The layout, how it actually works. Understanding the layout is everything with a dog trot barndominium because it defines how you live in the space. The structure consists of two separate building wings sitting side by side under one shared roofline. Between them runs the breezeway, which is the defining feature of this design. In a Scandinavian dog trot barndominium with porch, this breezeway is typically covered, screened, or fully open depending on your preference and climate. Wing 1 is typically the social wing. This is where you have the open concept kitchen with a large island, dining area, and living room, with high vaulted ceilings and oversized windows. Many Scandinavian dog trot plans include a double height great room in this wing with floor-to-ceiling glazing facing the landscape. This wing often also contains a home office or flex room. Wing 2 is the private wing. This is where bedrooms live. The master suite anchors one end, complete with a spa-style bathroom, walk-in closet, and direct access to the rear porch. Additional bedrooms, a shared bathroom, and a laundry room fill out this wing. The separation between the social wing and private wing is one of the biggest lifestyle advantages of this design. Guests in the living room never disturb anyone sleeping. Kids have their space, adults have theirs. The breezeway between the two wings is where the magic lives. In Scandinavian dog trot designs, this space is treated as a serious outdoor living room. It often features exposed timber posts, string lighting, outdoor dining furniture, and in many builds a fireplace or fire pit. Some owners screen it in for year-round use. Others add sliding glass garage doors that open completely in warm months and close in winter. Some convert it into a sleeping porch that can accommodate 8 people easily. The breezeway is not dead space. It is arguably the best room in the house. Wraparound porches extend the outdoor living even further. Front porches run the full width of the structure, creating a welcoming covered entry. Rear porches often run behind both wings, creating a continuous outdoor living zone that connects back to the breezeway. In a Scandinavian dog trot design, these porches are designed with intention. Deep overhangs protect from rain and sun. Exposed timber beams carry the Nordic aesthetic. Porch railings use clean steel or simple wood designs. The result is a home that feels twice its size because the outdoor spaces are genuinely livable. A popular layout example is a 2,592 square foot plan at 82 feet wide by 50 feet deep, offering 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms with a central vaulted living area and a separate bedroom wing connected by a covered breezeway. Total improved square footage, including porches and breezeway, reaches close to 4,100 square feet of usable space. The real cost's $2026. Numbers let's talk money honestly, because this is where people get surprised in both directions. The structure and shell of a Scandinavian dogtrot barndominium is built using pre-engineered metal building technology, which is the same foundation as all barndominiums. The two-wing design with a breezeway does add some complexity compared to a single rectangle build, but the overall cost per square foot remains highly competitive. For a mid-size 2,300 to 600 square foot Scandinavian dogtrot barndominium with porch, here is what you are looking at in 2026. Shell and structure runs $55,000 to $95,000 depending on whether you use post frame or steel frame construction. This covers the two wings, the shared roof, end walls, and basic openings. Foundation, which is typically a full slab across both wings and the breezeway pad, runs $18,000 to $28,000. Exterior finishes including dartboard and batten siding, vertical wood accent panels, standing seam metal roof, and large window packages run $35,000 on to $60,000. This is where the Scandinavian look gets built, and it is worth the investment. Breezeway construction and porch framing adds $15,000 to $30,000 depending on size, materials, and whether you screen it in or add glass doors. Interior finishing for living and bedroom wings at 2,400 square feet runs $95 to $140 per square foot. This covers insulation, interior framing, drywall, flooring, kitchen, bathrooms, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, and trim work. Total interior cost lands at $228,000 to $336,000 your own dollars for a quality mid to high end finish. Additional site costs including permits, well, septic and driveway add $30,000 to $55,000 in rural settings. Total turnkey range for a 2,300 to 2,600 square foot Scandinavian dogtrot barndominium with porch runs $381,000 to $604,000 depending on finish level, location, and site conditions. Per square foot, that works out to approximately $114 to $165 per square foot for the living space, which is still significantly below what traditional custom construction would cost for a comparable design at $200 to $350 per square foot. Material costs in 2026 have stabilized 4 to 8% from 2025 peaks, according to current construction data. Labor shortages continue in some regions, but the barndominium sector benefits from faster build timelines, which reduce total labor hours. The porch, the heart of the design. We need to spend real time on the porch because in a Scandinavian dogtrot barndominium, it is not an afterthought. It is a core design element that fundamentally changes how you live. The front covered porch in this design typically runs the full 60 to 80 foot width of the structure. Deep overhangs of 8 to 10 feet keep rain off and create comfortable shade. Exposed timber posts anchor the Nordic aesthetic. This is where you take your morning coffee, watch the sunrise over your property, and feel the scale of your land. In a typical suburban home, the front porch is a narrow strip. Here it is a proper outdoor room. The rear porch often mirrors the front and runs behind both wings. Because the breezeway connects to both back porches, the entire rear of the home becomes one continuous outdoor living zone. You move from bedroom wing porch through the breezeway to the living wing porch without ever going inside. This is an outdoor lifestyle that most homes simply cannot offer. The breezeway porch specifically functions as your primary outdoor gathering space. Shaded by the roof, open to natural airflow on both sides, this is where outdoor dining, evening conversations, and weekend relaxation happen. Many Scandinavian dogtrot owners say the breezeway becomes the most used space in the entire property, especially in spring and fall. For screened-in versions, the breezeway porch cost typically adds $8,000 to $18,000, but gives you a bug-free outdoor room usable from spring through late fall in most climates. Glass garage door systems that open fully in summer and close in winter run $12,000 to $22,000, but effectively give you a year-round outdoor room with the push of a button. The passive cooling advantage of the breezeway is also real in 2026. With energy costs rising, a design that channels natural airflow through the center of the home genuinely reduces your HVAC load. Many dogtrot owners report 15 to 25% lower cooling costs compared to equivalent-sized traditional homes. The honest pros, the lifestyle this design offers is genuinely hard to match. Having your social and private spaces separated by the breezeway creates a quality of life most homes never deliver. You can have guests over, host a dinner party, and still have your bedroom wing completely quiet and private. The Scandinavian aesthetic is one of the most timeless design approaches available. Dark vertical siding, natural wood accents, clean lines, and large windows never look dated. This is not a trend. These design principles have been refined over decades in Nordic countries, and they work. The outdoor living experience is exceptional. Front porch, rear porch, breezeway, and side yard access all connect seamlessly. For people who love outdoor living, this design maximizes every square foot of your property. Natural light is extraordinary in a Scandinavian dogtrot design. Both wings can have windows on 3 sides since they function as semi-separate structures. Large floor-to-ceiling windows, clerestory windows above the roofline, and glass doors in the breezeway flood both wings with light all day. Construction is faster than traditional custom homes. The barndominium structure goes up quickly, and the 2-wing layout is straightforward for experienced builders. Most shell-to-livable builds complete in 6 to 10 months. Energy efficiency is built into the design. The breezeway acts as a passive cooling system. The tight barndominium envelope with spray insulation reduces air infiltration, and the Scandinavian emphasis on good windows ensures excellent solar gain management. The honest cons: the 2-wing design does cost more than a single rectangle barndominium of equivalent square footage. You are building what amounts to 2 separate structures under one roof, plus the breezeway and extended porch. Expect to pay 15 to 25% more than a comparable single-volume barndominium. Weather exposure is a real consideration. Open or partially open breezeways can funnel wind and driving rain in severe weather. In areas with frequent storms, screening or glass door systems are not optional luxuries but practical necessities that add cost. Pest management requires attention in screened or open breezeways. Insects, especially in southern states, will find a breezeway inviting. Quality screening and pest management are ongoing costs to factor in. The footprint is substantial. An 80-foot wide structure requires a larger lot than a single-wing barndominium. You need adequate setbacks on all sides, which means this design really belongs on a rural property with room to breathe. Minimum recommended lot size is 1 acre. Financing can still be challenging. Lenders continue to treat barndominiums as non-traditional structures in 2026, and many conventional lenders require 20 to 25% down. Specialized barndominium lenders, USTA rural development loans, and construction loans are the most realistic paths for most buyers. Zoning restrictions apply in some areas. Metal residential structures with non-traditional layouts are not permitted everywhere. Always verify local codes before purchasing land for this project. The Scandinavian dogtrot barndominium with porch is one of the most sophisticated and livable alternative housing designs available right now in 2026. It solves problems that most homes do not even try to address. It gives you passive cooling through the breezeway, genuine privacy separation between living and sleeping wings, extraordinary outdoor living through connected porch spaces, and a timeless aesthetic that will look just as relevant in 20 years as it does today. At $114 to $165 per square foot turnkey for a quality build, it is still substantially more affordable than traditional custom construction for comparable design quality. The total investment on a 2,400 square foot build runs $381,000 to $604,000 depending on your finish level and location. And what you get for that money is a home that genuinely feels like a retreat. This is the right build for you if you love outdoor living, want separation between public and private spaces in your home, appreciate clean Scandinavian design, have rural land with room for an 80-foot wide footprint, and want a home that works with your climate rather than fighting it with expensive HVAC bills. This is not the right build for you if you are on a tight suburban lot, need a purely conventional look for resale purposes, or are on the absolute lowest end of the barndominium budget spectrum. If you are serious about this design, your next steps are checking local zoning laws, getting quotes from builders experienced in both barndominium construction and Scandinavian or Nordic design aesthetics, visiting comparable builds if possible in your region, and creating a detailed budget that includes site work, porches, breezeway finishes, and utility connections. Drop a comment below and let me know which feature of this design is pulling you in most. Is it the breezeway, the porches, the Scandinavian aesthetic, or the layout separation? I read every single comment and your feedback shapes the next video. If this video added value to your research, hit the like button, share it with someone who is building, and subscribe so you never miss a new release. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.